Hey guys, sorry for not uploading for quite a while. I've just been trying to find like different YouTube topics and so on and so forth, and just haven't found the time to, I guess, get them all down and make them. But I'm gonna start filming more and more of my more skating and stuff back on this channel. I'm still gonna do like top tens and stuff, but yeah, I wanted to start off with my next part of this channel with a Walmart versus regular skateboard, or longboard, whatever you're into. And I thought this would be a good way to start off, I guess. And yeah, like I said, sorry for not uploading for quite a while, but let's get into the video. Setup. The average Walmart board goes for about $15, but standard issue bearings go for about $20. And most boards are mass produced. A good setup will cost about $100 for a skateboard, about $120 for a good longboard. And I was thinking about it, like, how much does it actually cost to make the entire setup? Like, if Walmart's need the profit margin along with the factory, it's probably about $5 that it takes to make the entire skateboard, grip tape, everything. So yeah, if you're a beginner, this is my recommendation, is that you don't go buy a Walmart board. Go buy like a Revive or a Plan B or something good, or a Landry out to a Sector 9. So definitely don't buy a Walmart, because you're just gonna be more frustrated than you are enjoying the entire setup. So let's break this setup down into my 5 main parts. So the first one I like to think about the most is probably the wheels. The wheels on a Walmart board are made of a type of plastic. I'm not even sure what it is, but it's kind of like a hollow, soft. The wheels are first off hollow and soft, which just isn't a good combination, because it just kind of makes the wheels not roll. I don't know if they're soft or hard. It's just kind of hard to tell, but it definitely isn't a good combination for what the wheels are. But a good wheel that is either soft or hard shouldn't be hollow and will allow you to roll long distances, and will be able to let you, I guess, just roll in general without any struggle or hard. And most soft wheels are meant for grip, and then yeah, definitely the good wheels will allow you to roll long distances with good bearings. The second thing is trucks. Plastic trucks, unlike metal, along with bushings that are plastic, are in a poor construction, won't turn, and aren't going to let you learn how to make long, smooth turns, or snap into good slides, like maybe for a longboard. Metal trucks, if built right with top grade metal, like on Independence or Bear or Calibers or whatever most pro skateboarders skate with, or longboarders, metal trucks are just going to let you, if they're built right, just going to let you learn how to turn smoother and let you feel more confident on the board in general, in my opinion anyway. And third thing here is probably the deck. The deck on a Walmart board is super lightweight, but not in a good way. It's built with a cheaper wood, and I personally think it's probably a balsa wood, which is, if you don't know what balsa wood is, it's kind of a very lightweight wood that's very, very lightweight. It's good for like CO2 cars, but it's not very good for like supporting a ton of weight, because I've seen CO2 cars get very thin and then break in half as soon as they hit just a rag or something, and that's not a good thing. But a good board that's built with actual like maple wood. Maple wood's actually a really strong wood, will actually last you for quite some while, whether it be a longboard, skateboard, or if you're into bamboo. Bamboo is good too, as far as longboards go. The last thing on this list, which would probably be number 4, is bearings. Number 5. Yeah. The fifth and final thing, so I completely messed this up, would be the bearings. Bearings on a Walmart board are of a low grade, in which, with probably some break-in time, which may lead them being a little bit better, but probably not by much. But if you get a good bearing from a skate company like Bronson, Reds, or something else of that grade. They'll roll a lot faster with some good wheels like orangutan or some force wheels if, you get good wheels. So definitely these are my recommendations as far as don't get a Walmart board, especially if you're just starting out, because a Walmart board is just going to lead to more frustration than it is going to lead to you actually wanting to go and skate again. So definitely don't get a Walmart board, just like anything from Walmart. Don't go get it if you're a beginner, because it's just going to probably lead to more frustration than it is you actually enjoying the sport, maybe mountain biking, BMX, stuff like that. So definitely, I would say go to your local skate shop or mall chain. Even mall chains would do you some justice. But for this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.